Hi guys, so it is currently 10:46. Yeah, and it is the day before we go to Cape Town. We head to Cape Town for a vacation and stuff like that. And next week I'm not going to school for like the rest of the week, so I'm kind of worried because it's exam season and it's sem 4. But it's okay. Even like most people are absent on the first day, so like I'm not kind of worried. Yeah, but yeah, we're just going to Cape Town and I'm so excited. And Gary, like, it's now a tradition going to Cape Town in this family because we've been going to Cape Town since like how many times now? I started packing. Oh ngiyadlala guys, mina ish angapakishi like kahle, but my clothes are there, yabo. Oh, and like I haven't been posting on YouTube for a while, but I've been gone for a month, at least not 2 months, just like this time. If you remember, you remember. If you know, you know. Yeah, I don't know what to say. And my hair is I just did corners just to bambisa with my natural hair because I wasn't going to go to school on the first day with my natural hair. I just want to go make breakfast for myself and then stop. Oh no, I'm gonna pack first and then go make breakfast. But I am so hungry, literally I'm so hungry, so I don't know what to do first, because if I don't pack now then I'll pack late and I don't want to pack late. And today I want to sleep early because we're probably gonna be waking up very early for tomorrow. And there's this other thing, guys, people keep on saying this. I talk so loudly in my videos, like nyarasa, like, you know, I'm so active, but apparently in person I'm so quiet, guys. That's so not true. Like, that's so not true. And like a lot of people say that and I don't like that, guys. Like me like rasa phela go YouTube phela gyaraswa phela me be active. I'm like no. Okay, let me actually stop. Okay, I'm just yapping at this point. I missed y'all so much, like, actually. And like, hear me out, I love vlogging so much, like making videos, shooting content and aesthetic and things like that. But when it comes to editing, girl, cut me out, guys. Editing is so much work, especially if you want your videos to be like so like, yes, like you're keeping the specific aesthetic for your videos, like all of your videos. Bye. So guys, we have arrived, and so far, like, it's not that bad, but like, we're not kind of happy with it because of the outside. And the reception must at least have a reception. But then, yeah, so far it's not that bad. But like, the view is, because they said the view is going to be at the beach, but all we get is this. But then it's fine. Right now we're going to go to the pool and we're gonna see what's up there. The pool is upstairs, so yeah. Guys, we are back, and we are back from the beach. We were just like viewing the beach and stuff, and now we're just getting ready to go to the mall and stuff. Yeah, I just wanted to update y'all, and I want to talk more in this vlog because most of my videos when I go on vacation, I don't talk much. Like, you just see sceneries, and I just want to talk. So yeah. So I am back. So let me just give out an update on what has been happening and stuff. So we came obviously, and then we came in our room. We were not happy about the view here outside because when we went on the website, it was like so beautiful. We thought like we would, because I asked my mom, can we at least get a view, the beach or the ocean, and then she was like, sure. So anyways, yeah, we arrived. We don't like the outside of how it looks, but the inside, it's but unfortunately I'm not gonna give out a tour because I forgot. But and then we went to the mall, which we went to at Zara. Oh, that place is so nice, like so nice. Yeah, we just really didn't do much today because we want to like maybe do like more things tomorrow. Like, I think tomorrow we're going to go to the beach and then have a picnic by the beach, and then after that we're just gonna go see what we can do because we don't really know. But then so far I'm enjoying Cape Town so much, like really, like it's really fun, and stuff like that. So yeah, but like giving you guys updates and stuff like that.
Yeah, and I'm seeing all your shades and all your true colors. When you did all of your dirt, why did your crew cover? And I spent all of my time to be their new brother, but they lied like it was nothing, so you won't suffer. And maybe if I monetize loving and romance, you wouldn't get the notion to play that you faithful. It might just be a stretch to relay that I'm hateful, but a woman who can't love is my only portrayal. It sucks to learn that I lived your addiction, to be played like I'm a puppet with mates that addictive. And I hate this since you left, you still play it, you predicted, and still cry about the things that a man with a dick did. Yeah. Look. No, I'm not caught up on your last nigga, but I know that you is. Calling and texting, informing him how you been since then. Hopefully you understand that there's just plenty more men, so we can have a conversation that you didn't attend. And
we're going to Kunje, what is that place called? Water Wild. It's called Water Wild. Yeah, I think we're gonna go there.
You said some things that never should be said if we would love again, love. I hope he does you better so you love again, love. I hope y'all have the combos that we never discussed. I hope he is the man that you can never mistrust, and he never does get told that he just wasn't enough. Yeah. Look. And I'm seeing all your shades and all your true colors. When you did all of your dirt, why did your crew cover? And I spent all of my time to be their new brother, but they lied like it was nothing, so you won't suffer.